Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a couple of months since I've uploaded a video, but I have a really good one for you guys today. Today we are making salsa taquera. So spicy, so flavorful, so delicious. This salsa on tacos is amazing, but don't limit the possibilities. You can really drizzle this on absolutely anything you would like. So let's jump right into it. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and roast my tomatoes. Yes, I am using aluminum foil. No, you don't have to. So do it the way you want. This is the way I do it. This is the way it works for me. So let's just leave that at that. Make sure that they are roasted evenly on the top, on the bottom, and on the sides. You really want to get that middle of that tomato nice and tender so that it blends easily and it just has that roasted flavor. While these are going, I'm going to go ahead and heat up about half of a cup of vegetable oil. You can see little pieces and little grains of stuff in there already. I actually made some tortilla chips and I am reusing that oil, and it just gives it a little bit of that corn kind of flavor in it, and it doesn't affect the salsa at all. So I'm adding 2 big garlic cloves, about 1/4 of a purple onion, and I have about 25 chilies in here. So you want to make sure that you are moving these constantly. If you burn your chilies, your salsa is going to taste bitter and it is just not going to be as amazing as it should be. As you can see here, I am keeping constant movement so that they kind of fry slowly without burning. So you're gonna be here for a little bit, maybe a good 5 minutes. I have my heat on medium because you don't want them to burn quickly. You just kind of want them to fry slowly, but obviously you want the heat high enough to fry. So medium is the temperature that I recommend. So I am just kind of flipping the garlic. It didn't want to get flipped, but I flipped it. So keep moving, keep moving, keep moving until you have them a little bit darker. You can see they're going to start turning a little bit black. That's how you know that they are frying nicely. Oh, I'm so excited to share this recipe with you guys. It is just so good. Now remember, if you want it spicier, add another 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 chili peppers, whatever you can handle. These are already really hot. So 25 for 6 tomatoes was perfect for me. And let's speed through my house. Oh, hey son, hey, go. When you are frying these peppers, open up your doors. Open up your windows, enjoy the view. Hey, South Korea, make sure that you have some type of ventilation in your house because these will smell and they will make you cough. Moving right along. Chile de Arbol. This salsa is typically made with this particular chili. I do live in South Korea and I was able to find a similar chili, but it's a Thailand version. The chilies look exactly the same. They are both really hot, really spicy. So, like I said, Chile de Arbol is the pepper that you would want to use with this salsa. If you have another variation like I do today, go ahead and use that as well. Whatever tickles your fancy. So I'm just showing you here the type of chili I'm using, and then the Chile de Arbol. Like I said, any type of red skinny pepper like this will work for this recipe for sure. So now I have added everything to my blender, all of the tomatoes, the garlic, and the peppers. Before you add the peppers and the garlic, make sure that you have let it cool enough. You don't want to add those piping hot. So I added just the tiniest bit of water. Listen to me, the tiniest bit, just to get the blade going. You really don't want this to be a watery salsa. You can see how thick it is now. It's barely able to blend, but we're just gonna keep pushing, and there you go, and get it all incorporated. So like I said, minimal water, just enough to get the blade moving. Now this is where this salsa gets really good and interesting. Blend it really well. And then, yes folks, that delicious oil that is infused with garlic, onion, and all of those peppers, we're gonna add that oil to the blender, and you are gonna blend it for maybe a good minute just to really, really get it in there. What this is going to do is going to add a little bit more of consistency. Look at that. It's going to thicken it up just a little bit and just give it such a great flavor. Try it. I know it may seem weird. Why am I adding oil to the salsa? Try it. I promise you, you will love it. It has, that oil just gives it kind of like a nutty, spicy. It's just good. Just take my word for it. If you've watched my recipes and you've tried my recipes and you've left a comment and you've told me, gosh, that was so good, try this one. I promise you, you will love it as well. So here I have gone ahead and poured it into a container, and just take a look at this consistency. You can add this over eggs in the morning for breakfast. You can add it to your tacos. You can add it to your burritos. You can add it to some carne asada, pollo asado, anything you want. It is going to add some bomb heat, and it's going to be delicious. Thanks for watching. See you next time.